Hello everyone, please copy down this equilateral triangle. As you can see in this equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degrees and all the sides are the same length, in this case 5. Today's lesson is about the fact that there is a direct relationship between the angle measures and the side lengths of a triangle. Let's take a look at the next one. This first one, we don't really know that much about the relationship between the sides and the angles because they're all the same. If we were to look at an isosceles triangle, potentially the vertex angle would be 30 degrees, and the two sides are 8 each, and the bottom is 2. This is an isosceles triangle because it has two congruent sides, and the base angles are congruent. So think about this for a second. Where's the shortest side? The shortest side is in fact on the bottom, and that's across from the smallest angle. The two sides here are congruent, and they're across from congruent angles. Looking at the next picture, draw a right triangle for me, please. In this right triangle, we know that it's a 5, 12, 13 triplet. The right angle is, in fact, at this bottom corner, and you notice that the largest side is across from the largest angle. So what I'm trying to show you is that, in essence, there's a relationship between the length of the side and the measure of the angle. Here, the largest side is across from the largest angle. Okay, let's take a look at another example. In this example, I have triangle ABC where the right angle is at A. And you'll notice that BC is the longest side because angle A is the largest angle. This also holds true that AB would be the smallest side because angle C is the smallest. So again, there's a direct relationship between, in this case, this small angle here and this small side across from it. There's a direct relationship with the largest angle and the largest side across from it. And then the last thing is there's a direct relationship between what I call the mediumest angle and the mediumest side. So I know that medium is not a word, mediumist is not a word, but it's pretty funny, so we'll use it anyway. Now, I have some notes for you to copy, and they are right here. So if you need to pause that, you can. But it says that the largest side of a triangle is always across from the largest angle. The smallest side of a triangle is always across from the smallest angle. And the medium side of a triangle is always across from the mediumest angle. Take a moment and copy that, please. Now, the other thing that's really important about this is the opposite of that also works. So, for example, the second set of statements would be the largest angle of a triangle is always across from the largest side. The smallest angle of a triangle is always across from the smallest side. And the medium angle of a triangle is always across from the mediumest side. Again, I realize that mediumist is not a word, but it's pretty funny in this case, so I use it anyway. Alright, so please make sure you copy these other three statements. All of the above work in reverse, too. So the first three sentences, I gave you the sides here, and we knew something about the angles. The second three sentences, I gave you the angles here, and we knew something about the sides. Alright, that's it for today's video. Just make sure you have these 6 statements down. Thanks, and I'll see you tomorrow.